Hello everyone. So today I'm in North Campus and we have Jalaj here with us from SRCC and he's in his first year. So we are going to ask some questions to him about SRCC and about CUET preference list and all since the CSAS portal phase 2 will be opening soon and might need some guidance. So hi Jalaj, which course do you have?
I'm pursuing BCom honors first year.
So let's start with a basic introduction.
Hi everyone, I'm Jalaj Kareer and I'm pursuing my BCom honors first year from Sri Ram College of Commerce.
So Jalaj, what was your CUET score?
782.
Okay, that is actually an amazing score. And I would like to ask you a few questions about your preference list. So first of all, on what preference did you have the scores and college?
Okay, so actually my preference list was actually very basic because I had already decided the course that I wanted to go for in the very beginning. I wanted to go for BCom honors only. So the first 15 colleges and course combinations that I put into my preference list, they were only BCom honors colleges, followed by eco and other courses. But yeah, I managed to get the college that I put on the first preference list, so it turned out to be lucky for me.
Congratulations. No, that's not luck. You worked hard for it. That's just not luck. So congratulations for that first of all. So आपने 15 colleges अपने BCom के डाले थे, then you went for other colleges also, right? And SRCC was at number 1. ठीक है? So for you, what is more important? Like, did getting BCom honors was more important, or did you have a specific college in mind कि नहीं मुझे North Campus ही चाहिए or something?
Actually, this is one of the major questions that comes into the mind of most of the students. In my earlier phases of the CVT preparation, I was fixated upon the point that I want to go for BCom honors only. And I had some seniors and some friends of mine who were studying in DU. So they suggested me that the brand name of the college apparently matters more than the college than the course that you're doing. So, but still, I didn't want to go for eco honors or something, so I just chose BCom.
Okay, so this also mattered to you ना कि brand name थोड़ा होना चाहिए, right? ठीक है? Okay. So would you like to share something about SRCC? Like पहली बात तो कौन सी societies में you are there? ठीक है? And SRCC का कैसा system है पूरा? How is the college? How is the faculty? How is the society? How is the culture?
So first of all, about the societies, फर्स्ट ईयर में एक तो आते ही सबसे पहले SRCC में तो एवरीवन इज लाइक कि ये कंसल्टिंग सोसाइटीज ज्वाइन करनी है, एकेडमिक सोसाइटीज ज्वाइन करनी है, सबका मोटिव उसके अराउंड ही रिवॉल्व करता है. Which and I was also one of them, but I didn't get into any consulting societies. And also, I am interested in theater, so I went for the Dramatic Society,
Wow.
which I am still a part of, and I also chose the Marketing Society. So, and about the culture, I think one perception that most people have about SRCC is about its toxic culture. Like it's very competitive and stuff, which I obviously agree with since it's true for most of the people, and it is something that I had to deal with in my initial days of college as well. Since for most of the days, some inferiority complex used to hit me, but with time, I embraced that toxicity and used it for my own advantage. So I think it turned out pretty well for me.
That's what we all are doing here, you know. When we have come into DU, we are like, ये तो ऐसा नहीं है जैसा हमें दिखाया गया है. So we all are kind of putting a bow and putting like ribbons on whatever we are getting out of it. Okay, so would you like to tell थोड़ी mistakes like I'm your preferences का system went smooth, which I'm very happy about. But I'm sure you must have any friends जिनका थोड़ा सा खराब हुआ होगा preferences में, and you think that you must have made some mistakes college में. तो पहले तो मुझे preference list का बताओ कि कोई possible mistakes जो हो सकती है which you would like to tell our juniors जो आ रहे हैं कि क्या avoid करनी चाहिए, and also in college which you think you might have made while choosing societies or courses or something.
Okay, for my own preference list, one of the mistakes that I made, which I said pehle ki I only put BCom honors college in the first 15 preferences, which was matlab, if I had a good score, so I was pretty confident that I would land a good college in BCom honors. But I would suggest others not to make that mistake. Make sure you strategically plan your preference list and also balance out your aspirations with the realistic outcomes. Because देखो कुछ भी है CVT में, even the people who got high scores, they had to face issues because of the normalization that occurred. And even a few of my friends who had higher scores than me, they are in like lower colleges. I wouldn't use the word lower.
Yeah, but like colleges with lower ranking.
Lower ranking. because their CVT scores were normalized, obviously. So one advice that I obviously said, plan your reference list strategically and make sure that you put multiple course and not just stick to a single course, because obviously the brand name matters more than the course that you're opting for. So make a combination of good college as well as course combinations. Now coming to the point about my college life. Okay, so honestly, being in SRCC has been an amazing experience for me so far. So, and my first semester went with the societies का इधर उधर का भागना दौड़ना, पूरा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर मेरा उसी में गया था. And what was the question again? I'm sorry.
So my question was that any mistakes that you made college में course choose करते हुए, societies choose करते हुए, तो which you would like to tell our juniors जो वो ना बनाए?
Okay, so societies का तो सबसे पहले I would say just don't join too many societies. कॉलेज में आते ही सब तुम्हें बोलेंगे कि सोसाइटी ज्वाइन कर लो, पॉइंटर्स मिलेंगे, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, एंड योर करियर विल बी सेट. Although that is not the reality, I would suggest limit your options to at least maybe 2 or 3 societies, which you can figure out later which one turns out to be the best one for you. But yeah, and about the course combination, about the course options. So एक तो first of all ये सेक वैक का तो सीन बहुत ही खराब है. ऐसे मतलब हमें जो सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने पड़ रहे हैं वो तो बहुत ही खराब है.
उसके लिए आप हैदराबाद मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो.
And for the SecVac options, I would say, okay, one of the things that most students don't know in DU, that कि आपके कॉलेज में जो SecVac के options आपको ऑफर हो रहे हैं, those are not the only SecVac options that you can choose for. You can also go to other DU colleges and choose their SecVac option, which is something that I've done. Like I'm doing my Sec from Daulat Ram College.
Okay.
Because the options that my college provided were not up to the mark as per my preference. So that is something that you can also do.
So like how is that going? Because the cluster college का I have heard that it's a very messed up system. It's not very well organized. So क्या होता है, आपको जाना होता है, क्या system है cluster college का?
ये actually this is the same thing that most of my seniors told me about cluster college, but luckily it turned out to be very smooth for me. I managed to get a good faculty in the college, Daulat Ram College. So I think it was a smooth procedure for me. But I would say कि only choose cluster options if तभी choose करना if you can get out, if you can manage to travel or get time for it. क्योंकि एक कॉलेज से दूसरे कॉलेज बार बार जाना है वापस आना है, it's a lot of hassle.
Thank you so much, Jala. Thank you so much. So cluster college के बारे में and SecVac and all के बारे में I'll make another video. Thank you so much, guys.